Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have a plan, but I don't trust myself to follow through on it. I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas that I have pre-primed black with my spatula, and I have some shovels of color. That is a hot orchid from Color Art. This is a Decor Americana 24 karat gold, and I am thinking very strongly about having two separate color schemes and dribbling them over each other. And all my criteria is to have the prettiest combinations that I can come up with. And when I get to a point where I need to stop because the shovels are full, then I'll just fill them up again. I should do silver and gold. I really should one of these days. But anyway, so I'm going to throw a little bit of white metallic in there from Anita's. A little bit of my orange that has golden fluid iridescent pearl into it. Added into it. I don't know what this is, but it's plugged anyway, so let's see if I can get some of that out of there. Sort of, kind of, but not really. So I am going to just fly by the seat of my pants, and whatever will be, will be. One more squirt of something in there. Maybe two. That is the Arteza Orange Metallic. Now I could stir these, and I have before, and I'm almost full. And I've got something to lean them on over on the side here. I'm adding just a little bit more white pearl to one. I want some of that Prussian blue. Boy, I don't know why. Here we go. So, I'm just basically dribbling. I've got a couple swipe tools. I've got a scoop, actually. I'm probably not going to use that. But I have a scoop that had the back taken off. It was just the cover for a pen, and I swipe. I've also got little cards, too. You know what? This might work. And I might be interested in taking all the rest of that out of there. And dribbling it. First, I'm going to scrape it down. Get ready to use it again in a minute. This seems like a really good idea to me. Now, because I'm out of colors there, I'm going to put some more in. I hope this is as good an idea as I'm hoping, as I'm thinking. I have some Venetian blue from Modern Masters, and I put that in there too. Let's have a little bit more of that green gold from Folk Art that's color shifting. And I think I'm going to throw the Folk Art neon purple in there as well. Now I want some more orchid. And I want the rest of that gold out of that shovel, but I haven't got an easy way to get it. I need two more hands. Alright, so I've got all the colors out of this one shovel. And I'm going to put all the colors that are in there. And maybe a couple more. That's the Folk Art Purple Flash. And finish up with, where is it? The orchid. Okay. Now I can also take my colors, because they're coming out of the shovel just perfectly mixed and not over mixed. Just add a few fun dots. And if I didn't do anything to this, I would be okay with that. I never overindulge in dots. I mean, I add a lot of dots sometimes, but I don't like try and make them the major focal point. But I kind of feel like I would like to do that. Of course, these could become trees tomorrow if I wanted to. I do. Wow, that is one beautiful shovel. So what do I want to do? Do I want to do anything? I don't think I want to do anything. Whoops, that's something. I did something in spite of not wanting to do anything. And now I'm going to do it again. Purple flash, regular purple, turquoise, neon purple, orange, blue. That's a nice combination. I like it. Bubbly. I think I want some gold in there too. And for some reason I hid my hot orchid on myself. Let's just expand the design. Because I can. It's obviously going to be hung one way or the other. It's all on one side and not on both. I'm just going to keep adding colors to my shovel until I run out of time. And I've got some time left, I think. I've got some colors in my way. Maybe if I pick them up and put them out of my way as I do this. Well, that was a different combination. Sometimes the weirdest things work out, and I'm always telling you guys that. And a little more gold. Going too far is perfect. I think. I hope. I want it to be perfect. Okay, I've got some regular metallic turquoise, and I'm going to throw a little bit of that in there. Finish up with my favorite purple flash from Folk Art. Still pretty even. I've got a dog hair in there. I know it is, or a sweater fuzz. Great colors. I like the alternating color selection. Yeah, this has got to be one of my favorite forms of art therapy right here. This is it. And if I want something else, there is absolutely nothing to keep me from adding it straight from the bottle. And I say you can too, because there's plenty of mixed colors, and a few solid colors won't hurt anything at all. I'm loving this. Thank you guys for joining me. There's almost 91,000 of you today, and that means there probably are by the time this airs. Someday my 100,000 will come. Hey, maybe someday my 250,000 will come. Who knows? Stranger things have happened. If you're a new subscriber, please be welcomed. I love you all, new or old. Yeah, I can't really get it wrong. No matter where I drip, it's going to match the composition. I think I want some of my Venetian blue from Modern Masters because it's just gorgeous. And it doesn't disappear when it's dry. When it's added to a dry canvas. Sometimes I give half sentences, and I thank you guys for putting up with me. So I appreciate it when you guys watch the videos longer and watch when the notifications come out. It's really helpful. Thank you so much. Shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you helps me buy art supplies. If you would like to help support the production of videos and also be in the monthly drawing with a chance to win one of the paintings that's offered that you can see on the end screen of any video, there's an exhibition video. I just want to keep going all the way out. Yeah, I'm not unhappy with that. Maybe I need to just let the beautiful colors fall where they may. I could dribble some more, but I think my dribbling days might be over right in the moment. Kind of want some more of that yellow, but I don't think I need much of anything else. Maybe some white pearl. Maybe that would make me happy. Maybe if I throw it into my shovel, it would make me happy too. That way I can have the best of both possible worlds. Yeah, I like the white pearl. I wasn't expecting that, but maybe a few curly cues out there won't hurt anything. Yeah, it's another party. I really want that pesky dog hair to go away. Got it. No, I didn't get it. It's still causing me trouble. Come here, you. Come on. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure they're my favorite part of this composition, but that's okay. I think maybe I'm done. Or very close. I can hear you guys, you know, when you say stuff like that. Yes, the orange will do it. I know. You've heard it all before. So I see how you are. I know you see how I am too. Well, that's fun. I'm not as sure about the squigglies as anything else in here. Helps if the ball of paint doesn't have anything on the end of it. I think, yes. A little spiral might make me feel better about that. Let's grab some paint from somewhere. Nice thing about a dry canvas is you can wipe paint off, but what I would really like to remember one of these days is to have a damp Q-tip ready. And if you dip the end of a skewer in to the dots you have, you can exponentially add more. Which for this particular picture is perfect. I'm having a good time. Thank you guys for joining me. Please share my videos if you like what I do. Appreciate that. Like them or not, they're there for duration. So I have Teespring clothing below the video, and anytime you ask me, I'll try. Anytime you ask me, I will try to add something that you like to all over print leggings or all over print t-shirts at Teespring. Alternatively, pretty much anything can become a print on whatever at fineartamericanpixels.com also. If you guys have questions, feel free to ask me. Look for my paint pouring recipe below the video, under the description, under the link tree, and under my email address, where if you have an interest in purchasing a painting, you may contact me. Cool. I never expected to get quite so many dots out of this right now, to tell you the truth. But I'm having such a good time, why stop? So I love you guys. Thank you for all the wonderful comments. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. Look for my 2 books on the Amazon link called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. What else can I tell you? I have 1,600 videos, so if you are interested in watching more, look for all playlists, created playlists, and they're organized by topic and by the 100. If you look for them, you will find them. I did mention if you have questions, you can go ahead and ask me. I will be happy to get back to you as soon as I can, if I can. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. And that was a ball. I'm going to throw a little bit of orange right over here because I can. That's that book. I should be looking at my list right now. And I should stop dotting maybe. That's a big maybe. Alright, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Look on my community board for tomorrow's video. Look on Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors. Appreciation is for students. Fans and Collectors is for looking in the albums to see what I've edited from YouTube. And the other one is for shopping. There's a shop no button. I love you guys. Take care of each other. I told you like that 3 times now. In any case, I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I know, I'm still dotting. I'm going to do that again with the colored shovels. Are you in here?